Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? I hope you are enjoying your life. So today's let's discuss about the limited internet plus slow internet. Sometimes the internet slow down suddenly or a message saying limited internet connections appear. In today's video, we will discuss this topic and provide a complete troubleshoot guide. I'll be share all the methods with you before starting the video. I request you kindly subscribe to Windows Fixer channel. Your small sword keeps my spirit high. This error mostly occurs when you are running an older operating systems on a low-end PC, especially Windows 7. In Windows 7, you may have noticed that after sometimes your PC only browse Google or YouTube while it can't access other servers. This main reason for this is either you store too much cache causing glitches, or there might be an issue with the internet DNS. Let's add one more interesting point. It's often some happens that internet browsing slow down in older operating system. The reason behind this is that the drivers for older versions operating systems don't work properly with Windows. This leads to the issues. Then you have to restart your PC. The solution for this is also included, so be sure to watch this video till the end. So let's start troubleshoot the network from A to Z. So the point number one, restart your router and modem. Unplug the power cord of both your router and modem. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Allow them to fully restart before checking your internet connections. Step number two, check network cables and connection. Ensure that all internet cables are securely plugged in. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to the correct network and thus the signal is strong. Now step number three, reset network settings. Just Windows plus X key, or you can just click on the Windows icon, then type cmd run as administratorly. And now here you need to apply a few commands. All the commands are mentioned in the description, so just go ahead and check that out. Net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Another command, net sh space int space ip reset space, okay, and then hit enter. Now ipconfig slash release, hit enter. ipconfig slash renew, okay. The last two commands, the ipconfig slash renew and the ipconfig slash release, it's on you if you want to put space ipconfig space slash renew or space slash release. It's on you, either you put space or not. It will work in both situations, and then hit enter. After doing this, you can just close your cmd. Now the next step is update network drivers. For network drivers, if you are using an older operating system, it's important to update your drivers. Now go into the device manager. If you have any CD or any backup in your PC, then definitely this method will work for you. Just go into the network adapters and the upper one, just right click on it, update, search automatically, so it will scan your PC and automatically install. But in case if you don't have any backup or CD, then you can search for update drivers on Windows Update. Once you go over there, check for updates, and later on after finishing the checking for updates, you will see the driver updates in additional options in view optional updates. So just go over there, expand the driver updates, select your drivers as you can see here, and then click on download and install. So it will start downloading. After finishing this process, now another step that might be work for you before you can apply these methods, disable and re-enable network adapters. So it's just like this. Again, go into the device manager, go into the network drivers, and then right click on the top network adapter and disable device, and then again right click on it and re-enable. So this will work for you. Now check for interference. If using Wi-Fi, other electronic devices, neighboring a network may cause interference, so consider changing your Wi-Fi channel. So this will work for you. Another, reset TCP IP stack. So these are the settings in your network adapters, so you can also perform these tests. Just click on the Windows icon, type cmd, open it, and here you need to type the net sh space int space tcp space set space HEURISTICS and space disable or disabled, both will work. Again, net SHINT space TCP space set global, okay, between this put space, and then again space auto tuning level is equal to normal and hit enter. Another command, net sh space int space TCP space set space global space RSS is equal to enable or enabled. It's on you, both will work. Now one more command you can apply here, ipconfig / flush DNS, and again ipconfig / register DNS. After restarting the router, you can apply the second command, the register DNS. Okay, this will work. If none of the step working for you, then there's might be an issue with your ISP. Contact them for further assistance. Remember to test your internet connections after each step to see if the issue has been resolved. If none of these steps work, it might be a good idea to consult with a professional, your ISP, for further assistance. And also let them know that bring a router or DSL, whatever you are using, so he can test with that. Might be it's your router issue, might be it's your cable issue. So whenever he bring with him, he can test each and everything easily. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.